disassemble this photosensor. It's plug and play. It's very easy. And this is a waterproof gasket. This is very important. You put it here. Fix the screw here. And don't forget to make it glued. This part is glued. Okay, then the control device. There are two blue wires. They are different, but actually here we can treat them like one wire, because no matter how you connect these two wires, their performance is the same. So let's make this one. This one connect the driver. It's two blue wires. And this one we connect it to the power cable, the lab cable, I mean the positive. The rest two wires, the yellow wire connect to the driver, the brown wire connect to the null power cable, the negative cable. That's all. Put it here. Okay.